This video is not a substitute for the user manual. Users must review and understand the manual and all warnings before using the ALTAIR I/O Charge and the MSA Grid Manager app. The purpose of this video is to provide a visual walkthrough for configuring the ALTAIR I/O Charge. As a reminder, you should always refer to the user manual and follow those instructions closely. To begin configuring your ALTAIR I/O Charge, first open the MSA Grid Manager app on your phone. Once open, you'll see options for several devices. Select the I/O Charge image. Next, you will see options for connecting to the I/O Charge. You may tap to scan the QR code on the unit or the I/O Charge packaging, or manually enter the device's serial number. For this demonstration, we will walk through the tap to scan configuration method. Tap to scan. The next screen will display a visual guide of where to tap your phone to the device. Select Start Connecting to initiate the connection, then tap your phone to the device. The next screen will give you details about the device. If the charge is unregistered, you will see a blue notification at the top of your phone screen prompting you to register the device to your Grid account. You will see a details section where the device name and description will be displayed or can be edited. Scrolling down reveals the Assign To box, where you may select a group from your Grid permission structure to assign the device to, and an option to have the I/O Charge clear an assigned worker when an I/O device is placed in it to charge. To begin registering the device, tap the gear icon in the Details section. Type in the name and description, then tap Update. Next, scroll down to the Assign To box and tap on the drop-down box to select the assignment. Tap Continue once selected. Once all information is updated, tap Register at the bottom to register your device. You will be taken back to the home screen with a brief confirmation message about registration appearing at the bottom. The device is now registered. Should any changes need to be made, repeat the prior steps to connect to the I/O Charge and enter the updated information.